Hey guys, it's Sadie. Today I'm going to be doing a whole video on purse organization, but mainly small purse organization. I have hacks and things that you need that you didn't know that you needed, or you probably didn't know that you needed, to make your purse a lot more organized and just to like see everything, save space, and revolutionize your purse experience. So why don't we start with what my purse actually is. So this is the Kate Spade. I will put the name on the screen. I'll also link it down below if you guys want to twin with me. But I got this for Christmas. It is the purse that I use in every single outfit, every single day, daily purse. It is, for reference, kind of the size of my head and height and not that thick. I'd say it's like medium to small. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. First thing, store things vertically. This is like the Marie Kondo methodology. Basically, if you store things vertically instead of like horizontally, you'll obviously be able to see it kind of like a filing system, not like how you would put your clothes. You know what I mean? You should put your clothes in like that, but that's another video. So you should be putting everything like vertically. So if you need your wallet, you can just like pull it out and you can see everything. So let's kind of go do like a what's in my purse, and then if I like find anything, then I'll be like, oh, this is a tip. So first thing that I have is my phone. It's usually at the top, like right there. This is a Casetify phone case on it. You can use my code 20SadieA for 20% off. I always have my phone at the top, and if not, it's probably in my pocket. The second thing is my wallet, and this is actually a new one. My first tip is to have a wallet that can carry your cards, has a space for coins and cash, but is not too big. It can be big, I guess, like lengthwise if you have kind of like a longer purse, but just not too big like thickness wise. This is from Amazon. It was so affordable, and it literally looks like it could be a designer wallet. I don't know. And there were so many colors. There was like gray, tan, pink. There was a slightly bigger version that was like a medium size, and there's a large version, and they have like matching cases and stuff. So definitely check Pretzi's collection out. This is what it looks like. So it has a spot for like the ID card, and then it has a spot for cash, and then a spot for coins, and then like 3 slots, actually 4 slots for cards. So it carries everything that I would ever need. Yeah, it is kind of thick because I have a lot of cards. You can also get the app Stow Card and put your points cards and everything in that app, so you don't have to carry them around with you, which is another tip. It's a free app, and I'm pretty sure it's on Android too. But first thing, small miniature wallet. My second tip, the keys. Doesn't matter if you have car keys or you just have one house key. This is what I used to put my keys on. It was a lanyard because I thought I was that super cool grade 11 and grade 12 that got their license. So I would walk around like this and I'm like, hey guys, I'm just gonna be like driving home today. Don't do that, because that's not going to make your purse easy and organized, and that is what we want. So take your keys off of your lanyard, put your lanyard on something else, but have your keys like the smallest possible, because it literally, you don't need to take up space with your keys. Like, you'd probably want to take up more space with like a wallet or stuff that you'll actually need. So I have my fob thing on here, and then I have the Golden State California license plate, and then my house key, and that's literally it. And it's so small, I just like stick it right down in the corner. Next thing is actually a super big tip, and my mother's making vegetables. Next thing is a super big tip, and I recently just like tried this out and literally changed my whole entire life. So I'm gonna spill the secret. Instead of using pouches that have like a huge zipper, or little pouches for like your lip balm, perfume, tampons, like stuff like that, use a glasses case, but like a soft one like this. So this one I got from Winners. It's actually a Kate Spade one. There's a whole story time that I feel like I've told in like 5 videos about how I got this for free. You can definitely get this on Amazon. Everything that I'm saying, I'm going to link down below, or something similar. And this is where I keep all of my stuff, because it's just so easy. And you open it at the top and you can put things in vertically instead of having a zipper that makes it so much thicker. So the first thing that I have, lip balm, Glossier, literally 4 years old, I'm not even kidding. Next thing I have is my favorite vanilla perfume, very big fan, sweet vanilla roll-on. Get it from Nature's Emporium, but actually I don't know where to get it from now that I don't live near Nature's Emporium. Oh, it's hot. How come it suddenly just like gets hot when I'm in here, but like the temperature is actually not that hot? Oh, it's because I have the door closed. No, I'm too lazy to open windows. And then I also have a Victoria's Secret lip plumper. This stuff is so good. I also have hair ties, always super, super good when it's literally 38 degrees in Ontario and you are dripping inside of your car, but you also don't want to blast the AC because you don't want to waste gas, but then also you don't want to melt and have heat stroke. And then I have some glucose tablets, very essential for a type 1 diabetic. Then I have, wait. More glucose tablets. So I have 2 in here. Can't be too prepared. Then I have another hair tie. Here is another tip. I was always weirded out when I needed to carry tampons or something like that, like in my backpack or in my purse, because I was scared that when I opened it and say like I took this out, then everything would fall out and then it would just be tampon palooza around me, and I just didn't want that to happen. So I literally stopped carrying them for a while because I was like so scared of something falling out until I found tampon tubes. Round of applause. But if they fall out, it literally just looks like nothing. Like, what is that? Like a science beaker? You take out the tampon. Isn't it so cute? Like, you literally just like stick it in and then it's just like so protected. And also you feel like it's not gonna get like dirty and crumpled up and stuff. You kind of just like put that on, screw the cap on, and then you're good. I just feel so safe with these. So I don't know where I got these from, but I'm gonna try and find them. I think my mom got these, but these are the 2 little designs. Like, they're really, really cute. Next thing that I have in here is very obvious. It is my insulin pens. I just got this from Chapters. I will link down below. So many designs. They have really, really good ones, and it fits the insulin pens and my tips perfectly. Not really any tip for that, just get a cute one that you really like. Then I also have some hand sanitizer in here. It's not really a tip, it's just kind of there. This is supposed to be attached to my keys, like that. So this is actually what my keys look like, and this is a portable metal straw. If you've tried those portable straws that like come in a little case, then you take off the cap and they unfold and they're like plastic on the end, don't get those ones. They literally like make your drink taste weird. Well, to me, they make the drink taste weird. This one is perfect, and I will definitely link this down below. Not the exact one because I got this at a random health food store, but a similar one. So it comes in this rose gold case, and you take off the cap. It comes like this, and inside there's a little cleaner, like a little brush, and you just basically do it like a telescope. Like, it's literally like and this actually fits a venti drink, so if you got one, it's gonna fit that. And then that's like grande, that's tall, that's just like not even anything. That's like a short drink, you know, those like short drinks you can get that are like that big. It'll save you, even if you're just taking your keys somewhere, you'll always have a metal straw. You're going to be saving the planet, and it also makes your drink taste a lot better if it's iced because it goes through like a cold stainless steel thing instead of like a plastic thing. Okay, so this is a really cool thing. It is a purse hook. So if you're going to a restaurant or something like that where you're like sitting down, you don't want to put your purse, especially nowadays with Corona, and you don't want to put your purse down on the floor or where someone was touching it. Get one of these purse hooks. You can literally wear it as a bracelet. Well, if you had thick wrists, you could wear it as a bracelet. You basically just go like that and you hook it on your purse and it'll hook on the table. Like, hi, this invention actually should be more known. I want to pay the person who invented this. I actually would pay them money. It's literally just so convenient because you just stick there and then when you're done, ow, you just take it off and you put it in your purse and it literally takes up no space. Yeah, like, I don't know why, I just kind of think that's genius. And if you're like, this Corona literally turned me into like a germaphobe. I don't know about you guys, but like I wasn't this conscious about washing my hands and like sanitizing and stuff, but now I am. That's just gonna make me feel so much better because I know my purse isn't touching weird, gross things. One more thing, which is kind of not really a purse essential, but you can use it in certain situations. Hidden pocket scrunchies. Maybe you guys have seen these on TikTok, but I thought they were genius and I had to share them. Do you ever have that time where you just wanna run to Starbucks or you just wanna go for a run and not take a purse or a bag or anything, but you still wanna have like maybe your house key if you're diabetic, maybe some glucose. You still want to have maybe just like a couple things, but you don't want to take your whole purse. Take a pocket scrunchie. This is basically a scrunchie. They're actually super cute. They came in a lot of different colors and they have a hidden freaking pocket inside of them. Actually genius. Like, you can put lip balm in here, you can put change, money. It's like the perfect thing for going out if you don't want to take a purse. So I got a pack of 6 from Amazon Prime. They came in like 2 days, but I got this brown velvet one, this red plaid, black velvet, beige velvet, this purple flowery one, and this tie-dye one. This one like might be my favorite. I don't know why more people don't know about these, but I am sharing the secrets with you. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my purse organization video. Comment down below if you have any other purse organization tips and what's in your purse. Like, what did I miss? Like, do I need any other purse essentials? Subscribe if you want more organization type videos. I make a lot of those. I'm obsessed with being organized and decluttering. I hope you have an amazing day and an amazing, productive, happy week. I love you so much, and I will, oh, I forgot to say press the bell. Press that bell, make it ding. You can also text me at 647-372-1646. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Did you hear that? Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.